Hello, Jason here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to stop septic tank pollution. So I'm going to show you how to stop your septic tank polluting the environment. As you know by now, all septic tanks now need an MOT certificate. You can get a company in to replace your system and spend 10, 15, 20,000 quid, and you can do it that way to get your MOT certificate, or you could do it this way. Have a look at this. All right. So here we've got an onion-shaped septic tank. And so what do I mean by pollution? Well, septic tanks discharge poo, basically, and horrible, nasty stuff into the soil, into rivers, into streams. And on the 1st of January this year, the government completely changed all the rules and regulations regarding septic tanks and their discharge. As I said, every septic tank now needs an MOT, and this is the easiest and cheapest way to get one, right? If you've got an onion tank or a concrete septic tank that was installed prior to 2015, then this is an amazing solution. Have a look at this, right? So the first thing you need to do, right, is to dig a small hole on the outlet of your septic pipe. So there's the outlet of the septic tank, right? So what you do is you just dig a small hole there. So let me show you. There we go. So you dig a small hole like that. It'll take you, I don't know, an hour to do, something like that, half an hour. Then when you've done that, right, you just put one of these government ecosystem septic tank converters. They're made in Germany, and they're 10 to 15,000 pounds cheaper than having to replace your system. And not only can your builder put one in literally in a couple of hours, you can even do it yourself, you know. And once you've put it in, the reason why they're so good is, look at this, right? So you've got poo and wee and all that horrible stuff comes from your septic tank. It will go into the ecosystem septic tank converter, and then it just turns it into drinking water, mineral water. And so it's revolutionary. I mean, when these came on the scene a few years ago, it just blew me away. I couldn't believe it, right? An ecosystem septic tank converter that can, you know, turn your horrible, stinking, polluting septic tank into, like, you know, an ecological, kind of biological, eco-friendly sewage system without having to spend thousands and thousands of pounds. So there you go. That is my tip for the day. If you want to make your existing septic tank legal without having to spend thousands of pounds out, and you want to stop polluting the environment and sell your house, no problem, because with these government ecosystem septic tank converters, you get an MOT certificate, which allows you just to sell your house, no problem. You struggle without one because, as I said, if your tank hasn't got an MOT, then what can you do? Either not sell your house, pay 20 grand to replace your system, or put one of these ecosystems in. So listen, that's my tip for the day. Get yourself, right, a ecosystem septic tank converter. So if you'd like to see more free videos and tips and advice, then just go to septictank.co.uk, or if you subscribe to my Septic Tank TV channel on YouTube, you could be in with a chance to win yourself, right, to win a free septic tank converter. Oops, that looks something like that. If I can keep my screen still. There you go. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, you take care, and I'll speak to you soon. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.